Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, this is the 30 by 18 reverse flow smoker with the 18 by 18 vertical chamber. This one in particular has the doors on the front. Normally the doors are on the side right there on the end, but it's just an option if you wanted them like that. The horizontal chamber is 30 by 18 by 22 deep. The vertical chamber is 18 by 18. They're built with 1/4 inch steel. Has 2 racks in the horizontal chamber and 3 in the vertical chamber. Has your ash pan, your drip pan there, your coal basket at the bottom. This smoker comes with the log lighter and the burner on the side. The burner can be replaced if you wanted the side door on the horizontal chamber. Instead of the burner, it can be either or. But just a quick look at this. Like I say, normally the doors are on the other side, on the end. But everything else is pretty much the same. If you're looking for a smoker, you can shoot me an email. I'll put it in the description box. This particular smoker is 1650, built with 1/4 inch. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.